Casey, Hui-Zhen and Howard, and me, Zoe-G. And we are coming up with an idea with contact lens vending machine. So we are targeting working adults and students who are wearing spectacles. And next we will be showing you the videos of the contact lens vending machine. Enjoy! Yeah. And then this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, then you cut it. This is your job.
Boss, opposite the guy very handsome. How?
Go to the contact lens vending machine.
Oh.
Wow, boss, the girl very chill How
Throw your back. And shave your mustache.
Sorry, miss, where's the vending machine for the contact lens?
Oh, it's just over here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you look different today.
Oh,
Anyway,
really?
here's your work.
Oh, okay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Casey and I will be presenting to you about positioning and segmentation. So for our contact lens vending machine, we have chosen psychographic and behavioral segmentation. Under psychographic segmentation, we have chosen lifestyle as a lot of people who are short-sighted, they prefer to wear contact lens than wearing spectacles because it is more convenient for different occasions such as wedding dinner, clubbing, partying, and many more. As for behavioral segmentation, we have chosen responses to a product because this can be a feedback or market research for us to work on to attract consumers' attention towards the vending machine. In this positioning map, we have put the vending machine here as we will be providing good quality and low price contact lens for people to purchase them, because in optical shops most of them they sell a box of contact lens and it's one full tray of it, and we'll be selling it in individually and it will be cheaper than optical shop because they sell in different degrees and brands, but for us we selling different degrees and brands but it will be all in the same price. So this can be afforded by a lot of other people who needed it.
Hi, so my name is Howard and I'll be talking about targeting segment and differentiation on our newly product contact lens in a vending machine. So our targeting segment will be through working adults, students who wear specs. And why do we actually buy contact lens? First of all, it's convenient. Second of all, it's if you are tired, you can actually wear contact lens. And for the third one is if you are going out after work, like example on a date or a drink, and you want to look good, you can actually buy our contact lens. So we are actually targeting the age of 18 to 35, and you don't have to worry if you don't if you don't know how to use if you don't know the correct way of using the contact lens, we have actually an instruction in the contact lens, so you can actually follow it. And differentiation, our contact lens have a better noise compared to others, so that it won't dry out easily and you can use it for a longer time. So our product is high quality as the silicone is soft, and we only sell daily contact lens. Example, after you buy it, you use it on a day, you must dispose it. Also, what make us unique, what make us stand out is actually Singapore doesn't have a contact lens vending machine, and it will be troublesome if consumer like us need the contact lens but we forgot to bring out. So vending machine is a good choice for consumers, as they can easily buy it and also head out for their date, or if they want to go out. So with that, I'll pass on to Hui Zhen to continue with her marketing mix.
Everyone, my name is Hui-Zhen, and I'll be talking about the product and place in the marketing mix. So what is our product? Our product is this Optometry vending machine, and which brings comfort and convenience to people. So what will our product look like? So basically, our product will look like this. And we will collate with different companies, with different eye care companies. So what makes it so convenient is that our vending machine sells single capsules for everyone, those who wants to purchase a contact lens. And what makes it so convenient is, instead of having a spectacle, which is this object, this spectacle, like everywhere in your bag, or it can be here, anywhere, it's just very inconvenient. So with this, you can just put it anywhere inside your bag, and also, let's say if consumer actually forget to bring their spectacles out, they can actually go to a vending machine and get this, as it's disposable. It's only one-time usage, so you can throw it away at the end of the day. And yeah, consumers don't really need to go down to a retail store to buy this one whole big chunk of disposable contact lens and waste money on that just because they forget to bring their spectacles. And this is super convenient in a way that you can just lock it in your bag, like here. Any small compartment, this won't damage or harm this contact lens. Like this, it's super dangerous. Or this, you put it in and it will take up quite a amount of space. Yeah, so this is really good. So where can you find our contact lens vending machine? Our contact lens vending machine will be located in hotspots such as school campus, sports complex, hotel, and also offices. So why do we choose all these locations? Let me just give you two examples. First, we start with sports complex. So we all know that wearing specs while playing sports is very dangerous. It's either you need this rubber to hold on your specs to your face, or let's say anything happens, the specs will just inject your eye. So to refrain from any injury, we can actually ask all these athletes to buy our contact lens in the vending machine. So another example will be hotel. Why do we choose hotel out of everywhere? It's because, let's say tourists or you yourself, sometimes people might get forgetful and actually forget to bring their specs. So you can actually just purchase this again at your hotel lobbies. And having specs, you have to put in a spectacle box, which might take up and occupy space in your luggage. So just get a contact lens, because it's cheap, it's convenient, and it brings happiness to everyone with good eyesight. So I thank you for your time, and now I'll pass on to Zoe-G for the next point.
My name is Zoe-G, and I'll be going through with you the price and promotion of our product. As you know now, we are going to have a vending machine for contact lens. And the price for one side of the contact lens will be at $2, and for a pair it will be at $3. The reason why we are selling one side of the contact lens is because many of us have different degree of our eyes. One side might be 100 and the other side might be 200. Therefore, we are selling it separately. However, we also give you promotion if you buy a pair, even though at a different degree.
So in conclusion, throw your specs, get a contact lens at a vending machine.
Because it's cheap, it's convenient,
And you can fall in love.